Hey everyone, this is Tracy. This is kind of a bonus week. We don't always get 5 weeks in a month. And I'm showing you what I'm planning on doing. I'm going to make all the cards. I'm only going to make cards. I'm not going to do any of the um, sketches that I had used. And I want just to use up all the scraps that I have. I separate them by color. It helps me to go through them quickly. I do pull in some frames. I also pull in, um, I think I pull in something, all of the sentiments that are kind of hiding underneath. I only cut them out of a dark blue and a black. There is one white. I don't even use that one. And at the very end, I will show you everything that I created. So I'm going to put this all to music, and that way you guys can watch how I put this together. And I hope you enjoy it. to show you what I had left over. These are the sentiments that I have. For some reason, I'm sure the cat took off with the FR for friend. It looks like that, but I can't find it, and I was wanting to use it on one of the cards. But there are the sentiments that I have. I'll put those away. These are all the scraps that I have left over. I didn't pull out any new sheets or anything like that. I think I used everything that I had shown. The only thing I'm going to keep is this one. This is a big enough piece that I can keep. The rest of this, I'm just going to throw it away. Yeah, I'm pretty tired of looking at it. Here are the sticker sheets that I have left, or the stickers I have left on this. This one I had put a piece of foam, so I'm going to leave that out. Hopefully I'll be able to use that. And then here's this sticker sheet. And then this is the vellum. This is all I have left. And I think I'm just going to throw this away. I have a lot of this. That's only going to get ruined. And then I have this. I never even touched this, nor did I touch this. So I'm going to put that away. And I did use a couple of the puffies. Not too many. And then I only used this once. But I wanted to show you all the cards that I made because I didn't film all the cards while I was making them because I felt kind of stifled, I guess, while creating them. And so I'm going to go, I don't know which order this is, but let me show you. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I made 10 cards today, just with the scraps and the card bases that I had shown you. So it was really easy, you know. But let me go over. So this one does have vellum. So it kind of mutes the back, so it's not such a sharp contrast between that. So that's why I put vellum there. And then I think this was the first card that I made. And I told you that I was going to make those bases, you know, using the border strips. And I had the best of intentions, but then my old habits kind of kicked in. And that's why things kind of went the opposite direction. So that, I believe that was the first one. And then there's this one. This is probably the one I like the least. And I'm not sure why, other than it's this right here, which is, it is so pretty. Here, let me just trim that off while we talk. There we go. And I guess because I like more texture, like this one. This one has the chipboard. You know, I ink the edges of the paper. These are 2 different kinds of paper. It had some sequins. This one I really love. And of course it has yellow. I really like yellow. And my favorite color is green. And then I have birds in the window over here. Let me see, over here. There is a bird feeder that I filled up this morning, and the birds are all coming. And of course my cats are chattering, you know how cats do. Anyway, I think this flower is kind of a purple color, but I think it goes well with what the colors that I chose for that. And then this has lots of texture. It has some of the puffy pieces. There is foam tape behind this white piece here, but I am not going. Most people would probably put a little bit of foam tape behind that, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to let this and just hope, fingers crossed, that it doesn't get bent. But, you know, it has a chipboard frame. This is very dimensional. You can never put anything like this in a regular envelope and mail it and expect it to arrive without harm. So this will be something that I would hand deliver. All right, and here is this one. I really did like these, but I didn't know how to use them. There was only 2 of them, and it kind of made more sense for there to be 3, but oh, here, let me show you so you can see. There's, I don't know, So I just kind of did a diagonal, as you can see. And there is this. So this one has the edge, the torn out note paper. I'll put some foam tape on this, and this is chipboard. This is already dimensional. And then there is this one. I've got the washi tape out. This is on foam tape. I had this was this was out, so I went ahead and used that up. And there is this cute one. Look at this sweet little deer looking up. And I thought with him looking up like that, the sentiment needed to be up there. I think that is so, so sweet. Look how cute he is. Anyway, normally what I like to do is to decorate on the inside, but I didn't do that with any of them. And I don't think I'm going to, at least not today. I'm spent. So I'll just leave this in, and what I'll do is just go ahead and upload this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this series, or this this month of making cards or using sketches, card sketches. If you guys had an opportunity to make scrapbook pages with card sketches, the samples that I've seen have been amazing. You guys are an amazing group. And I'll be selecting a prize soon. Okay, at least a prize winner. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Okay.